Welcome to the top best. The Best Period Cup is probably one of the most revolutionary and eco-friendly menstrual products available today, offering a sustainable and cost-effective alternative to traditional pads and tampons. Designed for comfort and security, these cups are made from medical-grade silicone, ensuring they are body-safe and hypoallergenic, making them an excellent choice for individuals seeking a healthier and more environmentally conscious period experience. Their reusability significantly reduces waste, contributing to a greener planet while saving you money in the long run. Number 5. Lena Menstrual Cup Original. Experience a new level of comfort and freedom during your period. This innovative cup is designed for your well-being. Crafted from the softest medical-grade silicone, it ensures a gentle and safe experience. You can trust its quality for your delicate needs. Perfectly suited for light to medium flow days, it provides reliable protection. Enjoy peace of mind throughout your cycle. With up to 12 hours of leak-free wear, you can go about your day with confidence. Its design offers unparalleled comfort and security. This cup is designed with beginners in mind, making your transition to menstrual cups easy. Embrace a more sustainable and comfortable period solution. Make a positive impact on the environment with this reusable feminine care option. It's a sustainable choice for you and the planet. What we like. This option offers exceptional comfort with its soft silicone and a reliable 12-hour leak-free seal. Its beginner-friendly design makes it easy to use for those new to menstrual cups. If you are looking for a comfortable and easy-to-manage option for daily wear, this is a great choice. What people say. The cup is very soft and flexible, making it comfortable to wear. It is easy to insert and remove, even for beginners. The cup holds a good amount of fluid, so I don't have to worry about leaks. Number 4. Flex Cup Starter Kit. Meet the Flex Cup Starter Kit, your new go-to for comfortable and sustainable period care. It's designed for ease of use and long-lasting performance. This kit includes a reusable menstrual cup and 2 complementary menstrual discs. They offer a reliable and eco-friendly alternative to traditional products. Featuring a unique pull tab, removal is made simple and mess-free. You'll experience unparalleled comfort and convenience. Say goodbye to tampons and pads. This innovative solution provides superior protection and freedom throughout your cycle. Designed to last up to 10 years, it holds the equivalent of 3 super tampons. Enjoy extended protection and fewer changes. The size 2 cup offers a full fit, ensuring optimal comfort and leak-free wear for many users. Experience a secure and personalized fit. What we like. Experience hassle-free removal with its innovative pull-tab design. This starter kit also conveniently includes menstrual discs, offering versatility. If you prioritize ease of use and a long-term, sustainable solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The cup is very comfortable and easy to use. It is a great alternative to tampons and pads. The cup is made of soft, medical-grade silicone. Number 3. Dutchess Large Menstrual Cups, 2-pack. Introducing the Dutchess Large Menstrual Cups, designed for comfort and reliability. This pack includes 2 cups in pink and purple. Crafted from soft, medical-grade silicone, these cups offer a gentle and safe experience. They are designed for long-lasting comfort and wear. Make the switch to a sustainable and reusable feminine care solution. They provide an excellent alternative to traditional tampons and pads. Cleaning and using these cups is simple and straightforward. Enjoy hassle-free feminine hygiene wherever you go. Ideal for camping, sports, and everyday activities, they offer worry-free protection. Stay active and confident with this reliable choice. Each set comes with a convenient storage pouch to keep your cups clean and protected. Take them with you on all your adventures. What we like. Get double the value with this pack of 2 soft silicone cups. They are designed to be comfortable and secure, making them perfect for active individuals. If you lead an active lifestyle, enjoy sports, or need a reliable option for camping, this set is ideal. What people say. The cup is made of soft silicone, which makes it comfortable to wear. It holds a good amount of fluid, so I don't have to worry about leaks. The cup is easy to clean and reuse. Number 2. SHORDY Reusable Menstrual Cups. Discover a revolutionary way to manage your period. SHORDY offers a sustainable and comfortable alternative for feminine hygiene. Crafted from 100% soft silicone, these cups are designed for your comfort and safety. They provide a gentle and reliable experience. Available in both small and large sizes, they cater to both light and heavy flows. Find the perfect fit for your body and your cycle. Make an eco-conscious choice with this reusable set. Reduce waste and embrace a more sustainable period. Say goodbye to traditional tampons and pads. This set offers a convenient and modern solution for feminine hygiene. Each set comes with a box for easy and hygienic storage. Keep your cups protected when not in use. What we like. This set provides 2 cups in different sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for various flows, from light to heavy. Made from 100% soft silicone, it offers comfort and reliability. If you need a versatile solution that accommodates different flow levels and prefer a soft material, this set is a great option. What people say. The cup is soft and flexible, making it comfortable to wear. It holds a good amount of fluid, so I don't have to change it as often. The design is simple and easy to clean. Number 1. Talisi Menstrual Cups with Sterilizing Cup. Discover a revolutionary way to manage your period. The Talisi Menstrual Cups offer a comfortable and eco-friendly alternative to traditional feminine hygiene products. Designed for your comfort, these soft, reusable cups are perfect for both regular and heavy flows. Enjoy peace of mind throughout your cycle. Hygiene is made simple with the included collapsible sterilizing cup. It folds down for easy portability, ensuring your cups are always clean and ready. Make a sustainable choice for your body and the planet. By choosing these reusable cups, you're reducing waste and embracing a greener period. Say goodbye to the inconvenience of tampons and pads. These cups provide reliable protection and freedom, allowing you to live your life uninterrupted. Using and cleaning them is straightforward. The set comes with everything you need for a hassle-free and hygienic menstrual experience. What we like. Enjoy the convenience of a collapsible sterilizing cup included with your purchase. This makes cleaning and storage incredibly easy, especially on the go. If you value convenience and a hygienic solution, particularly when traveling or camping, this set is perfect for you. What people say. The cup is made of soft silicone, making it comfortable to wear. It is easy to insert and remove, even for beginners. The cup holds a good amount of fluid, so you don't have to change it as often. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.